Hi, my name is Donna Woodruff. I'm a Director of Team Service Management and Team Member Experience at Cox Automotive. So at Cox Automotive, one of the challenges that we were faced is around servicing our team members. We have 30,000 employees globally, and we field a lot of questions about our benefits and employee issues just in general. So we had a legacy system that was in place, and we used Remedy, which was in the process of being sunsetted. So we were faced with the issue of how do we respond to these questions that were coming in via email and phone calls and track the progress around that. So ServiceNow for us was just a natural solution. Prior to implementing the HR application on ServiceNow, we used the platform for incident, problem, change management, and we use it to run our technology operations. The reason we decided to consider ServiceNow for HR application is my team was in the process of building requests for different areas of IT and DevOps, and we just thought this is just such a natural way to be able to track requests coming in for really any business service. So when HR came to us and said that we have an issue with managing our emails to resolve our team member experience, we just thought ServiceNow was a natural solution. The employee experience has been wonderful. The feedback that we've gotten since we implemented the HR module has just been great. People are saying that it's very easy to find either the answers to their questions or to be able to engage with our employee service centers to respond to their needs. It's very easy to find the different issues that are facing our team members, such as questions about their 401k or their timesheet corrections, things like that. So it's really nice for them to be able to find what they need very quickly and not have to rely on calling a help desk if they don't want to. Well, it was an interesting story when we started engaging with our HR department. We were in the process of doing a laptop refresh for their employee service centers. Now, we have two centers, one on the East Coast and one on the West Coast, and there's about 55 service center professionals that respond to issues focused primarily just on HR-related items. So during this process, we got in a conversation to say, what are you using to track and manage your calls and requests? And they said, well, you know, we've been on Remedy, but it's really not meeting our needs. We only have some of our services on that, but predominantly what we do is take phone calls, and we also have emails. So I got together with some of my business analysts, and we sat down with our HR business partners, and we conducted several workshops with them to really understand what they wanted to accomplish. And we were able to put together an entire HR portal in just 90 days. That was just two business analysts and myself that were able to define what their requirements were, build a prototype, and get early feedback to what it would look like. And the response has just been fabulous. So the HR portal services over 30,000 of our employees today, and they do that through our self-service portal. So they can very easily get on a mobile device or their laptop, and they can search for the issue that they're trying to get resolved or have their answers, look for answers for their questions, and they can put in a request, and someone from our employee service center will respond to them pretty immediately. You know, one of the things that was really important when we were developing the HR portal is to make sure that we did build a platform that was going to be engaging to our team members and that it was going to be easy to navigate. So one thing that we did, which was very successful, is we put together a focus group of various users. So we didn't just work with HR and we didn't just work with technology, but we worked with all different kinds of users, people at our auctions, managers, people in the field, sales individuals. So, you know, our company is a lot of different functions, so we wanted to make sure that we worked with a representative group. We built the prototype, and we would use this group of people to give us early feedback, and we would tweak our solution to incorporate their feedback into the portal. And because of this, when we did roll it out, we had great response from all of our team members in the field. So one of the things that was really great about the way we implemented the HR portal is we stayed to out of the box. We always prescribed to configuration over customization. And one of the really neat things about that is we recently deployed performance analytics. And because we kept to out of the box configuration, we were able to immediately see operational dashboards just with our HR cases. So we're able to measure the trends, how quickly we're closing those HR cases, where the bottlenecks are, what the average age of a response is, and it's going to help us get better with meeting the needs of our team members going forward. Every ticket that gets closed, we send the customer a survey. So that's going to help our employee service center measure how well that they're meeting their customer needs, which are our team members. So the other thing that we're doing is we're leveraging the platform to remediate against one of our highest ticket volume items, which is timesheet corrections. We do over 20,000 timesheet corrections a month, and that's quite a lot of volume. So it's difficult for our employee service center to keep up with that kind of volume. But what we decided is this is a great way to focus on what is a better way to doing timesheet corrections. So we're learning from the things that we're measuring in the system, and we're being able to react to them to make it a better experience overall, not only for our employee service center team members, but for just the general population of our team members in general.